Your brain has a secret reset button, and it's called yawning. You think yawning means you're tired? Wrong. Scientists believe yawning might actually cool your brain down, like an internal air conditioner. When your brain gets overheated or less alert, your body forces a huge breath, stretching your jaw, pulling in cool air, and boosting blood flow to your brain. But here's the creepy part. Yawning is contagious. You can catch a yawn just by seeing someone else do it. Even reading about yawning can trigger one. And studies suggest people with higher empathy are more likely to catch yawns, which means your brain may literally sync with other humans without you realizing it. So the next time you yawn, your brain might just be rebooting itself.